Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As promised, this is my amazing baked jerk fish in creamy jerk sauce. Guys, this was super amazingly delicious. I cannot emphasize how delicious this was. So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right into this video. These are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So first we are going to wash and clean our fish, slice that up, then we are going to pour some oil right over. You are going to massage the oil into the fish, and then you're going to add the dry seasoning. Alright, season well. Looks amazing, and then I am going to make the sauce. So these are the rest of the ingredients, as I mentioned, will be in the description box. We are going to melt some butter, add some diced onions and garlic, allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low. Add some habanero peppers, some parsley, and we're going to give this a good stir. Amazing. Then we are going to add the jerk seasoning here, or the jerk sauce, whichever one you have. Allow this to cook for about an additional minute. Then we are going to pour our heavy cream here, or you can use half and half and heavy cream. All right, we're going to pour that in. Looks amazing. You do not really have to add anything else to this. Then we are going to place the fish in there and bake until it looks like this for about 20 to 25 minutes in a 375 degrees oven. Looks and tastes absolutely amazing. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.